How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well on this fabulous, cold, wintry week here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Okay, I'm in Eflin, and I got bored at the house, so I decided to get the bulldozer, the T340 out, and start doing some landscaping. Okay, pushing this garbage, all this trash pile into the woods. All I did was just a couple attempts at it, but you can see, man, it just did a great job. Now, the trash was right about, right along in here. This is kind of where it started, right along in here. And then I pushed it a good 20 feet right in there, 30 feet, and a good 40 foot through there. Just plowed it right into the woods. Just a bunch of garbage. Okay. But we have a winter wonderland around here. We got about 7 inches. And I want to tell you right now, that T340 did a great job. Took me a little while to figure it all out, you know, the controls and everything. But once I got that all figured out, it was cool. But yeah, definitely 7 inches all day long. And it was funny. When I was coming back here, I was turning around to go back up to the compound. It was sputtering, and I was like, what the hell? I said, am I having mechanical problems? I forgot. I was low on gas, so I went ahead and stopped it up in here, and then I went and got the four-wheeler and some fuel. Put some gas in it, no problem. That's all it was. Just getting low on fuel. But it trekked through here like it was nothing. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Oh man, winter wonderland out here in Eflin. And I'm real happy with the T340. It did a great job. It pushed these piles back, but I got a lot more to do. I got to cut a bunch of trees down and, you know, just get a lot more obstructions out of the way first. Went and grabbed some fuel. All right, let's head back up to the compound. There's all kinds of deer tracks, rabbit tracks everywhere. Oh, a little slip and sliding. Come on, baby. There we go. You can see how deep this stuff is. Look at that. This is where the T340 was carving through here. Okay. Plus I took the tractor and just put my rake on the back and did just cleared the road out. But there she is, boys and girls. What an incredible machine. It did great. Now it's all dirty, but You can see clearing the road. The DOT, they've already been out scraping the main road. They're okay. All the secondary roads are still a little iffy. But there you go. The Kubota and that rake did a good job just scraping the road. But you can see this wonderland of snow, man. And of course, I had to test also the tractor, the bulldozer, see how fast it can go. So I put it in 4th gear and just throttled up and carved me a bunch of little tracks all through this field. But it did a great job. Look at that. And talk about deer tracks everywhere. I'm telling you, I came up here and I thought there was people walking on the property when I came up, because it was just a fresh blanket of snow. But it's all these deer tracks everywhere. And you can really see them over here. Man. They're foraging. Oh, foraging for food. Watch that step. Hey, look at all. They just crisscross everywhere. That's a pretty sight right there. Now this is the biggest amount of snow that's ever fallen in Eflin in years. Yeah, this is the biggest amount of snow. 7 inches. Other places got 12. I thought we were going to get about 12 because when I was out here yesterday, it was only about 4 or 5 inches on the ground. Got into Raleigh, it was only 2 to 3. And then overnight, that's when it really started picking up. It got colder, it started sticking, and it was still snowing everywhere. But it's all good. I know a lot of you folks up north and on the East Coast got hammered. Nothing unusual. It's still winter, man. It's January. What can you say? Got the shipping container all organized. I came up here last week and just redid everything in here. Cleaned everything up. But you can see the snow on the roof up there. Cleared off the deck. But there you go. That's a good indication of how much snow fell. There's good 6-7 inches right there. Now, of course, the old trusty Isuzu, no problem, man. That vehicle will go anywhere. But there she is. Beautiful, beautiful blanket of snow. Looks great. Okay. I need to head back to Raleigh, go get some dinner. I think I got some leftover chili from last night. But, you know, the only thing bad about snow, it makes a freaking muddy mess everywhere. And I never did get a chance to put the roof on the building. So, maybe next week, who knows. We'll give it a shot. But all the toys, everything's working. Everything's doing good. Okay. Let me get out of here. Head back to Raleigh. I need to eat. And I just wanted to check everything out just to make sure everything was fine. And it was. No problems out here. Just a lot of snow. But once I got out here, you know me, I like to start working and doing stuff. I get bored. So got the Kubota out, started scraping the road. And I said, what the hell? Let me get this T340 fired up and go in the woods and start pushing some of those trash piles back into the woods. And no problem, man. That was just beautiful work. It worked its butt off. Good machine. I love it. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe, leave those comments, thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Tom out of here in Eflin, North Carolina, where we got 7 inches of snow. You guys be blessed. See you later. Bye.